Hey guys, Nick Dabas here with Adorama TV. Today we're checking out something really awesome. It's their brand new Aktiv14 tripod head. Now what's really special about this tripod, other than the weight capacity that it holds, I took it out of the box. This is extremely light for the capacity that it picks up. Roughly around 35.3 pounds, which is amazing, especially if you have an Alexa, an Amira, Venice, any of the Reds. It's really exciting to me because there's a lot of features on this tripod. One of them being the Dana dolly attachment. Now, the one thing that really stood out to me, which I love that they brought it back, was the touch and go plate. Now, just like your Video 20 and Video 18, you can take this right off quickly and attach, and it clicks. And I love that because you hear that sound and you know that your tripod and camera are locked into place. The second thing I really love about this tripod is the handle, because all the other tripods have weaker handles, and when you pan and tilt, it sometimes tends to move. This tripod head is flawless. It doesn't move, and it's really awesome because it extends as well. So depends on how long you need and how short you need. It actually swivels, and it's got two different mounts from side to side. Really, really awesome. I love that. You could feel that it's sturdy. You're ensuring that your rig is not going anywhere. And that's great. So the next thing I really, really love is the bubble level. And I know this sounds crazy, but the bubble level is genius how they did this, because when you look at it from the top, like a normal tripod, yes, there's a bubble level, you hit it. It's got an awesome color, LED blue. Now, what if you're really high up? Now, you're able to look at this straight from the side, almost like you're staring right at it. And that's awesome to me because now I can level the tripod. I don't have to get up on a ladder. So it just makes it a little bit easier. They're just thinking about these little things that help you on set. You have a secondary level other than, so like, let's just say you're not using an airy dovetail and I'm able to move this side to side. Now I'm able to unhook this and I'm able to move this back and forth. So it just adds a little bit more level of quality and also adds a little bit more finesse. So that's the really amazing thing about this tripod. Everything is so dialed. The tilt, the whole thing is just extremely robust. And you know that you're holding something substantial in your hands. And that's what I love, especially when you're trying to put a bigger camera on there. And there's also a couple new accessories from Dana Dolly featuring 75 and 100 millimeter ball head adapters for the existing Dana Dolly. And now it just screws on with 3 screws right on the Dana Dolly. It goes on any speed rail that you need. Pretty much unhooks just like your tripod. And you can carry the whole entire rig off and then put it right back on. And then you just clip that back right on there. And that's how easy it is. It's insane. So I'm not used to this. I'm used to having a different type of system where you would put the airy dovetail on a larger tripod. Obviously you don't want to walk around with that unless you have like a cart or a crew with you. And this thing is extremely light and it gives me the same level of finesse that I get on my larger tripod, and I love that. So we went upstate and we were shooting out in my buddy's Airbnb, and it was snowing, freezing rain. We were shooting in 3 degrees up there, and this tripod did not hiccup once. It got to the point where my fingers were freezing and I had to go back inside, or else I would have stayed out there. And this thing performed perfectly. It was literally frozen, you could see in the video. So the speed leveling system in this eliminates any tie downs. So you can quickly go from Dana dolly to tripod in seconds, literally. The other feature that I noticed with the Flowtech legs, which I'm in love with, are the different modes that it has. You can go all the way down to the ground, like full split on the ground, which is insane because now I don't really have to take my low hat or my hi-hats with me. So that eliminated me bringing any hi-hats or low hats on a set. The other thing I noticed, and I didn't try this with any other Sachtler tripods, but you're able to actually take this tripod and flip it 90 degrees so you could do your top-down shots. So if you have any still life stuff that you want to shoot top-down, you're able to do that. Just don't forget to put a little bit of weight on the other side so it acts as a counterbalance. So let's talk about Flowtech legs. Now, I really love these legs because they are extremely light, carbon fiber. They also have this latch system that you just unhook on each side, lift up without anybody helping you out, clip it down, and then level your tripod. It's always better to have assistance, but if you're in a pinch and you need to raise or lower your tripod, you can do that knowing that this tripod system allows for this quick latch system. So that about wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Adorama TV channel to see more content just like this. This is Nick Dabas. I'll see you next time. Peace.